In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a section break in Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're a busy professional or a student tidying up your documents formatting, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, it's important to understand what a section break is. Section breaks are powerful formatting tools that let you create different layouts, like varying columns, margins, or headers and footers within the same document. However, sometimes they are inserted by accident or are no longer needed, causing unwanted page breaks or formatting issues. The first and most critical step to deleting one is to make it visible. If you can't see the dotted line like the one on screen, you'll need to go to the View menu at the top and ensure that Show Non-Printing Characters is checked. Once enabled, all formatting marks, including section breaks, will appear in your document, making them easy to locate and remove. Now, to demonstrate the process clearly, we'll quickly add another section break and then remove it. First, place your cursor where you want the break. Next, navigate to the Insert menu in the toolbar. From the drop-down, hover over Break to open a sub-menu. Here, you'll see several options. Click on Section Break, Continuous. As you can see, a new dotted line has appeared, indicating another section break has been successfully added to our document. We now have two section breaks in our document. Before we delete them, let's discuss the two primary methods for removal. The method you use depends on where you place your cursor. If you place the cursor immediately before the section break line and press the delete key, the break will be removed. Alternatively, if you place the cursor immediately after the section break line, as we are doing here, you will need to press the backspace key. Both methods achieve the same result. It's simply a matter of personal preference and where your cursor is currently located. Let's first undo our last action before removing the original break. The next step is to click the Undo button in the toolbar to reverse the action of adding the second break. This is a great way to quickly fix recent mistakes. You can also use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac. Notice that as soon as we click Undo, the second section break disappears, returning our document to its previous state. Finally, let's remove the original section break. We will use the backspace method. Carefully place your cursor immediately after the dotted line, right at the beginning of the text that follows it. In this case, it's just before the P in Product Overview. Now, press the backspace key on your keyboard. The section break is immediately deleted. It's important to note that when you delete a section break, the text that followed it will merge with the preceding section and adopt its formatting. Be sure to quickly review your document to ensure that margins, headers, and column layouts still look correct after the removal. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted the section break from your Google Doc. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.